What are we making today, kids?
Popsicles!
Mommy the other day got us this silicone mold for popsicles, so we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try using coconut milk as the base. We're gonna try putting some fresh strawberries in there and a little bit of pineapple juice and see how it turns out. What do you guys think? Will it be good?
I think it will be awesome.
We're gonna find out one way or the other. Is this delicious? Is this strawberry pina colada popsicle a good way to go? We need somebody to cut the strawberries.
Can I cut the strawberries? Can I cut the strawberries?
I think we're gonna entrust our knife to our most trained individual, and that would be a Nettie. All right, we're gonna need somebody to open this can of coconut milk. Hold on, no, I don't think you guys can use a can opener, but I think Mary can use a can opener.
Maybe I will do this.
Are you gonna help with this? You'll help pour the pineapple juice in? That'll be good. Actually, you know what I need? It kind of looks like it's separated a little bit. Can you gently shake it before we are gonna get to open it and pour it? That'd be great. What are you gonna be? You don't know? We don't have a ton of jobs here. Maybe you can help me direct everybody else. Can you be a good assistant to the manager? No? Oh, you know what I need you guys to do? I need the three of you to help get the strawberry pieces that we cut off. I need you to get those into the trash, okay?
That means I am in charge of the blender.
You're in charge of making sure everything ends up in the blender. Yeah.
This is the most interesting strawberry I've ever seen.
That's a giant strawberry. How do you think they're gonna taste? When they're that big, they're not always very good.
Yeah.
So what is the trick to cutting the strawberries?
So to get out the stem and leaves, you kind of like you're trying to, you point like towards the middle and you go around and around, and then it comes out. Sometimes you have to pull it out.
All right, Mary, what are you doing over here?
Opening the coconut milk.
Smells good there, Little John?
Yeah, it does smell good.
Mm-hmm. Ollie wants to get a sniff.
Oh yeah! It doesn't smell very good.
Everybody wants a sniff.
Ew!
Do you guys want to start putting some stuff into the blender?
Ew.
All right, that's a lot. Got the pineapple juice and the coconut milk there. Oh no, there has to be strawberries left for the popsicles, guys.
Oh, this one's shaped like a heart. I'll put one in there.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to.
I need to
Oopsie.
keep cutting.
We think it's really good to let kids do cooking things on their own up to their skill and safety level. So it's really good, in our opinion, to develop some self-sufficiency, the ability to cut when they're able to cut. We train them, and we keep the knives in places where the little guys can't get at them until they've been properly trained and have the requisite fine motor skills. But if you're cooking with your kids, don't be afraid to give them a little space. It might mean that you have more of a mess to clean up. It might mean they have more of a mess to clean up. But you might just find one day that you wake up and you get some breakfast all ready for you because your kids had the skills and took the initiative to do that. Bring it out, let's taste test it.
See if we need to add any more strawberries.
Yeah, see if we...
Too coconutty.
I think it needs more pineapple.
More pineapple?
And probably the rest of the strawberries also.
Yes.
All right, more pineapple and the rest of the strawberries. Go for it.
It's great. I bet it will taste great.
Yeah, I think it's a lot better now.
Okay, got a lot better. All right, let's get it into those molds. Okay.
Give me this one.
We're gonna find out how they taste.
Give me this one.
No, how about please may I have?
Can I please have that one?
Can I please have that one? Can I please have that one? Can I please have this one?
How are they?
Can I match ours? Can I match ours?
One for all and all for one. It's pretty good.
Hey, a bunch of water fell.
Oh no.
I think we should do just strawberry ones.
Hey, maybe I'll make rice popsicles.
Rice pops?
Popsicles.
Rice.
Rice popsicles? Interesting.
You know what you could do? You could make, what's it called?
Rice pudding.
Not rice pudding, horchata popsicles.
Horchata popsicles.
This is yummy.
This is a fun and simple project for kids of all ages, especially on warm summer days. We hope you enjoy making and eating popsicles with your family as much as we do.